Tayo sa Camp Crame, kaugnay pa rin ang pinakahuling update, kaugnay pa rin ang pagpatay sa isang siklista dito sa Quiapo, Maynila. At sa ngayon nga po ay isang press con ang kasalukuyang pinaghahandaan doon at inatabayanan din po yung pagdating nung sasakyan na ginamit nung suspect na na-recover pa ng mga otoridad mula sa Aritao, Nueva Vizcaya. At isa nga po sa mga kumbagay unang dinala yung sasakyang yan sa mismong bayaw ng suspect at lumalabas sa investigasyon ng mga otoridad na yung suspect ay nagpatid sa isang bus terminal na mga biyaheng papuntang Bataan, pero sa payag ng bayaw ng suspect ay sumakay itong suspect na ito, si Von Tanto, sa isang bus na pamaynila. Kaya't yun po ang hindi pa malinaw sa ngayon kung talagang sa Metro Manila ba itong suspect o lumabas na patungo sa ibang probinsya sa ngayon. At sa pagkakaintindi po natin ay na proseso na itong sasakyang ito doon pa lamang sa Nueva Vizcaya at yung kaukulang mga impormasyon, kaugnay po at detalye sa sakyang yan ay
ladies and gentlemen of
Highway Patrol Group.
Press, we'll be giving an update on the shooting incident that transpired last July 25, 2016 at Quiapo, Manila, wherein the vehicle used by the suspect was recovered by the Highway Patrol Group. The details of which will be given by the Chief of the Highway Patrol, Colonel Garjola.
Good afternoon to all. So ito po ay dala ng ating investigation, follow-up. We got an information from an informant that a similar vehicle was sighted in Nueva Vizcaya. So it was the other night, pinalabas po natin ang ating Task Force Limbas to verify the report. So nung inikot po nila yung Nueva Vizcaya, they sighted a vehicle in a remote place in Aritao. In fact, you can see here the place is very remote. So hindi po siya mahirap hanapin, kaya nakita po natin yung sasakyan. Nakita natin yung sasakyan parked therein. It was parked at the house of the sister of the suspect. Yung sister ng suspect, a certain Fatima, is married to ito pong Jonathan Liano, an ex-marine. So bayaw niya po ito. Then yun po, sila ay hindi nila alam why that vehicle was brought at their house. It was only yesterday in the afternoon when the subject, kasi po ang nangyari nito, nung dinala doon, sabi lang daw iiwanan lang at may pupuntahan. So the subject, yung suspect po natin ay umalis ng bahay at about mga alas 10 ng umaga at sumakay ng Florida bus back to Manila. Yun ang nasabi nung bayaw niya na si Jonathan. So he learned that meron pala itong ginawang kalokohan already late in the afternoon. So when our operatives barged in the place to look for the suspect, doon na natin nalaman na bumalik na pala ng Manila on board a Florida bus at about 10 a.m. yesterday. So with a travel time, it was learned that dumating dito sa Cubao ng mga 5 p.m. That is confirmed because we have already interviewed the bus company, yung sinakyan na bus. So, ngayon po, the follow-up investigation, we already informed the National Capital Region to the Manila Police District, also with the NBI and CIDG for the manhunt operation being conducted for the possible arrest of the suspect.